Hi guys, welcome back. So we'll go immediately into the tutorial. So you can either use this liquid liner. You see that this thing has very sharp edges, or you can use a gel liner. While using a gel liner, you will need an applicator, like you need a brush that you can use in drawing it. So I'm using the gel for one and the liquid for other. So the method is you look down on your mirror, that area separating your lower lash and your upper lash, you draw a straight line upward. Then you start building it inwardly. You can build it up as big as you want or as small as you want, depends on your preference. But when you reach to the inner corner of the eyes, you have to thin it down. You have to make this side really thin. See the inner corner thin, then you make it bigger as you draw it outward. You make it as big as you want, like I said before. So for the gel, you go in with your brush, saturate it around the brush. It's the same method. The area separating the lower lash and the upper lash, draw a line, a straight line, not really straight. You follow your eye shape and draw the line, then you build it up. And this thing with this one is, if the other one is looking somehow, you have to make this, they have to be sisters. It's just like your brows, they have to be sisters. So you thin it out when you get to the inner corner of the eyes. And if you see the other one is longer, you have to make this one longer too. Then if you like, you can tight line. After drawing the line, you have to feel it, right? Then if you like, you can tight line your upper lash. It's always good so that there is no space, you will not see any space in between. You go back and tight line. It's better to use the gel for tight lining more than the liquid. The liquid, I've never used the liquid to tight line. So guys, this is it. This one, the other one is looking more glossy, and this is the liner with your lashes and your makeup on. You see, it's not looking as long as it was. So guys, this is the final. This is it. Hope you learned something from today's video. Don't forget to subscribe, give your girl a big thumbs up, and share your thought on the comment section. Bye.